What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be messing with the Q again. So what I'm about to do first, let me introduce myself. My name is Sub-Zero. Pretty much this channel is everything about my life, everything ranging from cars to travel and everything in between. So make sure and give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, it only takes 2 seconds, so what's it hurting? Well, anyway, we're working on the Q today, wrapping hopefully the turn signals, the fog lights. I might do the mirror caps too. Not the whole mirror cap, but the turn signal on the mirror caps. Well, we'll see how that goes. So far I forgot how to do it. It's been so long, but I'll probably watch a YouTube video and try to remember how to do it. Either way, I'm gonna hop straight into it. First, I'm about to vacuum the inside of the car. I washed it yesterday, but damn near a windstorm was happening while I was washing it, and all the pollen and all the trees and everything got attached to it. So yeah, if anything, I might wipe it down. But other than that, clean the inside, tint the fog lights, turn signals, and that's about it. So let's get straight into it. So vacuum the car, vacuum the carpets. I wiped down damn near the whole interior of the car. Let's go ahead and show you guys that. It's a little dark so you can't really tell, but wipe down the door, wipe the seats down, back of the seats, armrests, wipe the front, and we'll essentially wipe everything down. So if you guys want to see a more detailed, like actually detailed, not just water and microfiber towel, let me know. I do have products that I use. All right, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm about to take a little refresher course at YouTube University and quickly look at how to tint the mirrors and all the other lights. I'm what to tint. I hope I have enough because I kind of want to do the third, fourth, whatever the hell number brake light that's on the diffuser because it's a lot brighter red. About to hop on that and my tools. I got the heat gun. What's in here? Alcohol and water mixture. I got my tape just in case I want to tape around the mirrors and all the other pieces. Squeegee, knife, other little tools. It's wrapping those hard to get areas. So yeah. Oh, I also got the vinyl here. So let me take a refresher course and I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
All right, so I went ahead and took my refresher class. I watched CK Raps. It was like a 7-minute video. I also forgot that another tool you might need is a pair of gloves for wrapping, and of course a microfiber towel for the alcohol. So now I'm about to hop straight into it. finished up the driver's side. Ignore the air coat peeling on my carbon. But anyway, finished the driver's side. It came out a lot better, but it's still not perfect. As you can see, got the, what they call, bird claws or something like that. So yeah, those are there. I think it's a little rough on the bottom, but again, if anything, I'll come back and do that later. So what I'm going to try to do right here is do this, but I will say I'm not gonna take this out. Tint is a lot thicker than vinyl, so I'm thinking about just doing the, like, just the face of it, and then maybe come back and do this. But if anything, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just do the face of it, cut around the edge, and leave it like that. See how that looks. So as you can see, I changed my mind, decided to wrap the edges. Obviously, nothing perfect, but nobody's also coming down here and looking at corners and shit. So I just left it like that. It's still darker than the tail light, so it's whatever. For now, I don't know. I might tint these eventually, but they already look kind of dark, so I don't know. I'm not really stressing it. But yeah, it came out decent. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, it's a flat face, so I had no other option. I had no other option but to be good. So yeah, I'm not upset about it. So that's done. I think I might do the front. I might not, but I'm not sure. If anything, if I do, I'll catch you guys later. If not, I'll catch you guys in the next one.